Okay students, now let me tell you, a wire is in a shape of a rectangle. So rectangle has length and breadth. So length is 18 and breadth is 15. So first we find out the total boundary of the rectangle, that is 2 times L plus B. Total boundary of a rectangle, which means the length of the wire. So when we find out the perimeter, 2 times L plus B formula, we place length and breadth values, solve it, it is 66. Now this wire will be rebent, it will be become straight and then again bend it into a shape of a circle. So whatever is the perimeter of this rectangle will be same for circumference. So circumference here we get it as circumference of a circle is 66. Now we have to find out the radius and the area of it. Now circumference is 66 and we have to calculate first radius because for area. So radius equal to 2 pi r. 66 centimeter equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R equal to 66 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 3. So radius will be 7 3s are 21 upon 2. So radius will be 21 by 2, that is 10.5 centimeter. Now we calculate for area. Now area is, as I told you, pi r square. That means 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. So when we remove the decimal, it will be 10 and 10. 15, 3, 2, 2 and this 11. Yes. Now we just multiply it. It will be 33 into 105 by 10. So 105 into 33. 5 3s are 15. 3, 5 1 3, 5 6 4. 346.5 centimeters square is the area of it. Now I repeat this question, I will explain this question again so that you will came to know how we will get this. Now first of all, a wire is in a shape of a rectangle. So the length of a rectangle is 18 and the breadth is 15. So first we find out the perimeter. So length 18, breadth 15, formula is 2 times L plus B. So total length 66. Yes, 66 is the perimeter, which means that the total length of a wire is 66. Now what will happen? This rectangle will be rebent, reshaped, means it will make it as straight and then turn it into a form a circle. So, and we have not tiered it. So whatever is the perimeter of rectangle, that will be the same for circumference. So 2 times L plus B, from which we have calculated circumference, that is 66 2 pi r. Now when we simplify it, it will be 21, circumference is 2 pi r. We put the value, and because 66 is divisible by 22, so we have taken 22 by 7 into r. Do the cross multiplication, these two are multiplied, send it to that side, divide. This 7 is in divide, send it to that side, it will be multiplied. So radius will be 7 3s are 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 is 10.5. So this radius will be 10.5 centimeter. Clear? Now we have to find out the area also. Now area is pi r square. Now 10.5 is divisible by 7. So we take as 22 by 7 into r square. R square means we have to repeat r 2 times. So 10.5 into 10.5. Removing the decimal, 10.5 by 10, 105 by 10, 105 by 10. To the calculation, we get 346.5 centimeter square is the answer of it. Clear? Thank you.